I think it's a good surprise. I think the industry needs a little bit of a shake-up as well.
And a change.
And a change.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy. The models are very happy.
I'm glad.
Stage is going very smoothly.
That's what I'm surprised about, because I'm keep telling on my audience that there's a chaos. There's padda, dramas, everything. But
हमारी तरफ से बड़ा स्मूथ जा रहा है.
नहीं, लेकिन हमें चाहिए ड्रामा. हमें कुछ चाहिए, कुछ.
Don't worry, अभी celebrities आने.
अभी ड्रामा.
Celebrity drama आ रहा है.
So I'm also asking one question from everybody. Can I be a model?
Of course you can be a model. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this face. Yeah.
I can walk also.
You can walk.
Come on,
Let's come on. Let's show us.
I'll show you. Just straight
walk.
me. So.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. यार ये सिलेक्शन कमेटी ने इनको
किधर है सिलेक्शन कमेटी? अभी तक मिली नहीं मुझे 2 साल 3 साल में. लेकिन thank you so much, and I know you have no time. You're busy managing everything. A fantastic job.
Thank you so much.
I hope to see drama though.
Okay. All right. Don't worry. I'm sure you'll see some drama.
I have the show director and the amazing Maniza Ahmed. I'm just here to capture all the behind the scenes, but I'm also here to apply for a job. Can I be your assistant for a day?
असिस्टेंट मीन्स एन असिस्टेंट.
I'll be a great
सारे काम
assistant.
कराऊंगी. सोच लो चुड़ैल हूँ मैं काम करने में.
मैं आपका
मॉडल से पूछो. डन. अच्छा, अब हम कर रहे हैं, मुनीब का शो कर रहे हैं. ऑल द बॉयज आर देयर. सो लेट्स सी कि उन्होंने मुझे लाइन अप दिया क्या नहीं. सो दिस इज हाउ वी डू इट. आई गेट अ लाइन अप फॉर ऑल द मॉडल्स एंड द कोरियोग्राफी हमने लिख ली हुई है इधर. ठीक है. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू, लेट्स फाइंड वेयर इज मुनीब. देयर इज मुनीब. So what you need to do is, एक बैक स्टेज मैनेजमेंट होती है जो मॉडल्स को सारी इधर इकट्ठी करेगी. हम सामने जाएंगे और हम लड़कों को बताएंगे. Guys, give me a mic, please. Mic. हाँ.
मुझे पासेस के लिए वो मैम ने आपसे बात.
हाँ, अभी देती हूँ. 1 मिनट रुको. ऑन. हाँ, पासेस इसको 4 दे दो. अच्छा. और ये बैक स्टेज सिर्फ अपने कपड़े ना, इसको लड़कियां तुम लेकर आए हो प्लीज, वो क्या कहना, वो उधर एक रैक लगवा दो, मेरा रैक लगवा दो, लाजवंती के सारे कपड़े उधर. थैंक यू. आ जाओ. ओके गाइस, मुराद, आई वांट ऑल द बॉयज. आई वांट वन ऑफ द गर्ल्स, अबीरा, तलहा, जाहिद, H. Rajput, G. Nabi, Fahad and Zahib on stage right now. So what we're going to do, what's happening here is Muneeb ne reverse finale kiya hai, right? Which means that we start with the finale. So everybody is on stage and then they do single file. There are 5 Rajputs.
In the modeling.
In the modeling, the boys, they're all Rajputs.
Rajput.
I thought they were related, they're not related.
Anna as well.
Huh?
I'm also Rajput.
हाँ, ऊपर से दूसरे भी राजपूत आ गए. सो बेटा ये है रिवर्स फिनाले. कहाँ गए बॉयज? इधर आ जाएं प्लीज.
We have all the models here. Oh, not all of them. Few of them.
फिनाले कराएंगे ना तो उसको मुझे फिर ऐसे एडजस्ट कीजिएगा कि किसी में फंसती ना हो.
वो ऐसा ही हुआ. तुम एंड में आओगी फिर. रिहर्स किया था, मुड़ना आता है ट्रेल के ऊपर. यूं करके, यूं और यूं, ऐसे करके घूम के, ऐसे करके फिर यूं करोगी और पहले रुकोगी. बिल्कुल. Everybody else off the stage. I don't want anybody on the stage except for my assistant.
And she. Oh,
Where's my assistant?
I am here.
अभी अब आप लंबा करें.
हो रहे हैं. मेरा टेल है आयु.
One model is missing.
Open.
He's gone. Case में जगह राव है ये बच्चा. Has gone face.
Okay, ये कहाँ खड़ा होना है? अच्छी बात में.
We are now checking the music and doing the rehearsals with the music. Can I get you water or something?
Actually, I do want water. रुको, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. मुझे कोई पानी पिला देगा? अल्लाह का बंदा, अच्छा सा.
Everything is super going to get a little bit heated with Zahid. Not be late next time. Face the heat of my boss.
You see, होता ये है कि these guys make all these kind of excuses, and they don't realize when they don't do the rehearsal. वो बाद में आके कहेगा, वो क्या करेगा? वो गलत लाइन में खड़े हो जाएगा. और ये है टीवी के शूट. टीवी में you can't hide anything, ना? Here we're rehearsing today for this show, and the show is today.
And she was telling me earlier also about the story that in Sri Lanka you were walking in your stitches.
Yes. No, so my appendix burst. I was in China. And then I came back. I was there for 2 weeks. I had stitches, and the day I came back was in Mehdi ka show tha.
Okay.
So I had to walk in my stitches because I was committed. मैं क्या कहूँ कि नहीं जी सॉरी
That's
मैं
why
नहीं आ
she is a legend for a
सकती
reason.
हमारे ज़माने की लड़कियाँ ये करती थी कि काम आपके लिए
आपका
सबसे
ज़माना
ज़्यादा
अभी
ज़रूरी
कुछ
था।
10 दिन पहले ही था।
We didn't have social media. बिल्कुल नहीं था।
They were too late.
Too late.
You snooze, you lose.
Too late.
Muneeb, I am assisting Vaniza today on
And
this show.
doing this and modeling.
No, I am just getting hold of it. I want to show people what happens behind the stage.
Nothing happens. What's happening? Nothing's happening. Look.
Nothing happening. But कितने सालों से आप कर रहे हैं? The fashion
25 साल. So
fashion,
before you were born.
everything.
No,
No, मैं 25 साल का हूँ. I think I was born.
no. So it's been a while. Yeah.
कोई ऐसा weird incident हुआ है कभी भी रैप में? Where you said, oh shit.
No, I don't do that.
You
I don't do.
enjoy it.
Yeah. Whatever's meant to happen will happen.
Can I be a model, वैसे?
Yeah.
I can be a model. He said it. I am here with my friend Abir Asad. Hi Abir.
Hi, how are you today?
I am good. Acha Abir, I am assisting Vaniza today.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Is it good or bad?
I mean, that's amazing. I've never heard about this before.
I'm just recording this episode, sent it unscripted, and I came to Vaniza and I said, can I offer a job? And she said, what? Can I assist you? She said, yeah, of course.
That's so sweet.
By the way, can I be a model, वैसे?
You can.
Do I have the spark?
You would look so cute in a kurta shalwar, holding that shawl. That would be so cute.
Can you teach me though? Can you teach me?
I can. But I'm not a boy. I think Amal can teach me better.
Even I said, I need to have like a casting couch before he teaches.
We need to request Amal Bhai for that.
Can you teach me how to be a model?
He wants to teach him. Give me a 360. I asked him to give me a 360. He didn't. I can't.
See, this is what happens. That's why I have not been in modeling industry whatsoever. So yeah, that is it. I'm gonna run to my boss. She's gonna kill me.
Yeah, you should go.
Thank you. I just wanted to ask a question.
हाँ,
Can I be a model? Just showing you my.
इधर दिखाओ जरा
Just showing.
करो ट्रायल हो रहा है इधर मॉडलिंग हाँ करो गर्दन पीछे एग्जैक्टली बिल्कुल सही हो आधे से ज्यादा मॉडल से तो तुम बेहतर चल लेते हो हाँ बट ही इज राइट डोंट डू दिस
I agree.
एंड व्हेन यू कम इन द एंड जो अपना मैन पोज ये है मैन पोज ये नहीं है हाँ आओ करके दिखाओ I'll become Nick.
Vinny's पीछे.
I know you are very busy,
हाँ बताओ
मगर आप एक वीडियो बना सकते
नहीं
हैं
बेटा
please?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं
किसी ने
ना किसी को नहीं बना सकती BCW होगा नहीं अगर मैं यहाँ काम करना शुरू हो गई तो डन तो चलो अपना शो मेरे साथ अब मैं I'm going to go up let's conduct the show let's do we're going to do this from beginning to the end
All the magic happens, and we can capture it from the top. And we're doing the whole entire rehearsals for the show. I put so much effort in. Let's go! Be quick!
मेरी लाइट ऑन करो चले जी
This is the place where everything happens. Everything.
ओके जी चलो शुरू करो
Murad, are you ready?
चलें जी शुरू कर लें म्यूजिक भेजो
So I have tried to assisting you. Honestly, you do fantastic job. मैंने कोशिश की मुझसे नहीं हुआ बहुत मुश्किल काम है भाई.
मैं तो सोच रही थी नंबर लेकर नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए इसको कॉल कर लूंगा मेरे
I am always available. I love my experience, and she's guiding me to become a model, and I'm trying for next year.
हाँ इंशाल्लाह
हाँ,
क्यों नहीं भाई क्यों नहीं
लाल पत्तून वाले से बेहतर ही हूँ. So see you on the show. See you on the show. Thank you.